How to deposit checks into Netspend account. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To deposit a check into Netspend account, you can use a Netspend application. Now, if you have not installed it, make sure to get it from a Play Store or App Store. Once you get your Netspend, you can tap Open and log in to it. From here, tap on your profile icon, which will be in the left-hand corner. Then, select on Mobile Check Load. If you have not activated your personalized card, firstly, you need to activate it. All you have to do is simply enter your card info, that is a card number, CVV, and your expiration date. Once you have successfully activated your card, now to deposit your check into your Netspend account, all it takes is a couple of photographs. That is the front and the back of the check that you wish to deposit. By this way, you'll be able to deposit your check into Netspend account. Isn't it simple? We hope that you found it informative and helpful to you, and thank you so much for tuning in.